The RUNPOMETER RM35 is a calibratable, digital cable length measuring device. Within just a few steps, it can be integrated into the large RUNPOTEC product world. Different cable types from 2 to 32 square millimeters can be measured. The RUNPOMETER measures a wide variety of sheaths, such as cables, single wires, ropes, hoses, or even pipes. The included mounting plate transforms the robust system case into a mobile measuring station. Increase your efficiency in cable assembly with the practical countdown function. Independent of the pulling direction. Excellent for industrial or other large buildings, for example, to create cable lists. The RUNPOMETER is perfect suited for the job site, protected from splash water, dust protected, and extremely shock resistant. Also included in the scope of delivery is the connecting pad for easy connection to a wide variety of roll-off systems. The belt length is individually adjustable. The folding function allows the RUNPOMETER RM35 to be connected to the material to be measured at any time. Another plus point for use in any cable store. To determine the distance, a signal sound can be activated at desired intervals. The RM35 is also ideally suited in combination with the RUNPOTEC cable pulling systems. The precision guide jaws are individually selected depending on the cable cross-section. This ensures a highly precise measuring result. The RUNPOMETER is equipped with a lithium-ion battery with an extremely long runtime and can be charged at any time via the charging socket. An integrated shutdown function additionally increases the battery life. This can be individually adapted.